So tayo kay Rocket sa account dashboard, my Rocket ship. Yan. So tayo ng products. Okay. Add new product. Start from scratch. Tapos, naka-prepare na rin dito yung ating title. Okay? Para copy-paste na lang. Okay. Okay, so, yan, may 1,000 characters lang to. So, ginamit ko rin si ChatGPT. And then, add the image. So, this is kit 4. Yung image 1. Image 2. Tatlong image. So, hindi natin sasayangin yung uh, image na yan just for random image. So, meron yung purpose. So, meron yung purpose, bawat isa. So, kung makikita nyo dito, may outline yun. Ayan. So, ang purpose ng image 1 mo is to make the product instantly understandable. So, okay, ano yung binibenta? Get buyers without ads. So, unang tingin pa lang, alam mo na agad. And then, you list out the benefits. Tapos, yung pangalawang images is to reduce yung uncertainty. So, what's inside? So, ano bang laman? So, the third images is to sell the transformation. So, visually selling the transformation ng product na binibenta mo. Alright? So, ito, pwedeng kung sa URL, gamit yung Google Drive link, pwede naman i-upload directly yung file dito. So, i-upload ko na directly. That is kit 4, traffic playbook, and then we set the price. Save and publish. Alright? So, tapos i-review siya ni, yan, i-review siya ni Rocket. Okay?